Welcome to Daily News Headlines. Headline number 1. Oil retreats from 10-month high. Oil prices were drawing back Wednesday from a 10-month high, after news of Russia and Saudi Arabia's extensions of their oil supply cuts to the end of 2023 made investors wary and helped drive prices to over $90 a barrel Tuesday. Saudi Arabia has cut an additional 1 million barrels a day from the global market since July. Russia said it would voluntarily reduce exports by 500,000 barrels a day in August, then 300,000 barrels a day in September, and keep the 300,000 daily reduction through the end of the year. Rising oil prices could drive inflation higher, complicating the Federal Reserve's quest to cool it to 2%. The Saudi oil cuts have sent diesel prices soaring, says the Wall Street Journal, with prices up more than 40% in the US and Europe since May. The cost of diesel rose by 42 cents a gallon in the US in August, while the national average price for unleaded gasoline added 7 cents a gallon, according to AAA. Headline number 2. Amazon faces September FTC suit. The Federal Trade Commission is expected to file a long-anticipated lawsuit against Amazon over antitrust claims later this month, the Wall Street Journal reports, citing anonymous sources. It comes after Amazon officials didn't offer concessions to the regulator in a recent meeting, per the report. The lawsuit will look at several of Amazon's business practices, such as its logistics program and pricing on Amazon.com by third-party sellers. The commission's suit will also suggest that Amazon makes structural remedies that could trigger a breakup. Headline number 3. China growth may not surpass US. Despite many predictions to the contrary, China may never overtake the US as the world's biggest economy, according to Bloomberg Economics. The nation's recent growth slowdown could presage an era of roughly 1% growth by 2050, the report notes, and is shifting perceptions about China's ability to roar past the US. Concerns over how China is managing its economy and the nation's worsening property crisis are two of the main reasons for the more downbeat assessment. Economists had initially been more optimistic about China's economic recovery prospects after an elongated closure for the pandemic. Headline number 4. Hawaii urges visitors back to Maui. After asking for time to recover from devastating wildfires, locals and tourism officials are now imploring visitors to return to Maui, albeit not to Lahaina and other areas hardest hit. Flagging tourism is costing the state an estimated $9 million per day, according to the Hawaii Tourism Authority, adding economic hardship to the losses from last month's fires. Many Maui residents rely on the industry for their livelihoods, with local media reporting layoffs and meager sales for businesses ranging from restaurants to helicopter tours. Headline number 5. World saw hottest summer ever. Summer may not be officially over, but the data already suggests it was the hottest one ever for the Northern Hemisphere. Last month was the hottest August globally since records began in 1940, following record temperatures for June and July, the UN's World Meteorological Organization and the European Climate Service Copernicus said on Wednesday. The global average surface temperature for June through August was more than 1 degree above the 1991-2020 average. Driving up the temps. Burning fossil fuels, deforestation and farming practices, per Axios. Fact of the day. Lead pencils have never really contained lead, except in the paint. Thanks for watching.